ingredient starter that can be used for breads and doughs to add more depth of flavor and a better texture. Combine 100 grams of 00 flour with a tiny amount of yeast. The amount of yeast you use varies depending on how long you ferment the dough for. Check the comments for more info. Next, pour in an equal amount of room temperature water by weight. Once combined, this will form a very sticky, wet dough. Cover that and let rest at room temperature for between 8 to 16 hours. We rested for 16 hours, and as you can see, lots of little bubbles formed on the surface. Now to make the dough, add your poolish to a large bowl, then pour in 120 milliliters of room temperature water, 5 grams of instant dry yeast, and 8 grams of sea salt. Mix well so the poolish dissolves into the water, then add 250 grams of 00 flour. Use your hands to mix in the flour, then once a rough dough starts to form, gently knead for 10 to 15 minutes on a clean working surface. The dough will become smooth and elastic, and at this point you can portion it into 2 to 4 equal parts depending on the size of pizza you want to make. Form the portions of dough into balls by rolling them around on your work surface in the palm of your hand. Then transfer to a lined and lightly floured sheet tray. Brush each portion with olive oil and cover and let rest at room temperature for 1 hour or until they have doubled in size. These are now ready to use for your favorite pizza.